An introduction to artificial intelligence. Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI. This revolutionary technology is reshaping our world in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. But what exactly is AI and how does it impact our daily lives? Definition and history of AI. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. The term AI was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956, and since then it has evolved from simple computational tasks to complex decision-making systems. Types of AI. There are several types of AI, primarily categorized into narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a narrow task like facial recognition or internet searches. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. General AI, or strong AI, is a type of AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human. However, this level of AI remains largely theoretical as of now. Superintelligent AI surpasses human intelligence and capability. It remains a concept for the future, sparking both excitement and concern among experts. How AI works. AI operates through complex algorithms and vast amounts of data. Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a further subset of machine learning, uses neural networks with many layers, hence deep, to analyze various factors of data. This technique is behind advancements in image and speech recognition. Applications of AI. AI is already a part of our everyday lives. In healthcare, AI algorithms can diagnose diseases with remarkable accuracy. In the automotive industry, AI powers self-driving cars, enhancing safety and efficiency. Financial institutions use AI for fraud detection and personalized banking. Even the entertainment industry leverages AI to recommend content and create lifelike animations. Ethical considerations. While AI brings numerous benefits, it also raises important ethical questions. Concerns about privacy, job displacement, and the transparency of AI decision-making processes are paramount. It is crucial to develop and implement AI responsibly to ensure it benefits society as a whole. Narrator. Artificial intelligence holds immense potential to transform our world for the better. As we continue to innovate and explore this exciting frontier, we must do so with mindfulness and a commitment to ethical principles. Welcome to the future of AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of artificial intelligence.